Hello everyone, this is Shanika here with Voice Statements, and I'm going to show you how I put together this chip bag, how I assembled it. So this design was made by me. My cereal bowl came from AI Art Generation, and then I found the gold hearts in Canva, and my digital paper came from Creative Fabrica. So right now I'm just folding it to make sure that I have the proper creases, to make sure it's lined up correctly. And I do have my crimps printed on my chip bag, and those crimps came from Pretty Party and Crafty. It's a digital download, and I'm also an affiliate with her program. So please click my link to purchase your paper from there. And that's paper that I'm using. It's a glossy paper. So now I'm going to use my glue to adhere the sides. If you pay attention, I do not go all the way around the bag. I only do one side, well, the bottom, the top, and one side, because it's not needed. However, if you were going to insert a clear Ziploc baggie type to hold your candy or whatever you're putting inside of the bag, then you would glue or add adhesive to all sides of the chip bag. So right now, I'm folding it down, making sure it is not glued to itself. So that's why I have my hand in the middle to make sure that it does not stick to it, because sometimes it can. Now, if my bag was in the middle, then I would not care. But because I'm not having an insert, I want to make sure that it's not sticking to the bag itself. So then I drop in my Cheetos. I have found Cheetos to be the best one to fit in easily in the chip bags. However, it should be able to be able to hold any 1 ounce bag. So it's done, showing you completed, assembled, and how it comes out printed. And now I'm going to grab my pinking shears to cut the bottom to give that kind of chip bag feel. That's optional because, remember, as I said, I have my crimp lines on there already, so it's just extra that I'm doing here. My seriously amazing chip bag is done, available for purchase on my website, on my personal website, worldsavings.com, and on my Etsy, AI Art and More. It's there available. And have any questions, drop them down below. But yeah, follow me here. You see what I did, and I look forward to seeing you all later. Chip bag assembled 101. Bye.